guys and welcome back to my channel Sona's Video Diary. I am Ananya Tripathi and I am so excited to have you here for my jewelry haul. So ये एक बार की shopping spree का नहीं है, it's multiple shopping sprees, but I feel like these jewelry pieces could be a very good addition किसी के भी wardrobe में, किसी के भी collection में. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. I have oxidized jewelry, gold plated jewelry and a very nice set of earrings. So let's just get into it. I'm starting off with jhumkas. So this is the first one. I ordered a set from Meesho. It was very reasonable. It was $176 for 4 big jhumkas, this being the first one. This is how it looks. I feel like ये बहुत अच्छा है as a statement piece, or you can even wear it daily where you want to dress up an outfit. So this is how it looks. And I feel like and ये बहुत lightweight है, बहुत ज़्यादा lightweight है, which means even though बहुत बड़ी है, it will not strain your ears and आप बहुत लंबे टाइम के लिए बहुत comfortably पहन सकते हो. Somebody like me who dresses up to go for an event and by the end of it मैं हमेशा अपनी earrings उतार चुकी हूँ. I feel like this is something I could easily wear for hours on end. Next up, the second jhumkas from this set only. कितना प्यारा इसमें mirror work है. And it's very dainty, again very lightweight, and I will just show you how it looks. This is how it looks and it's an easy hook on. मैंने अभी बाल धोए हैं, so they're very fluffy, which means that they are getting in the way. ये गिर के टूट जाता every time. See, this would make any kurti look so pretty. Third ones from this set. I feel like एक circular mirror work वाले झुमके extremely सुंदर लगते हैं and they are like a great addition to your oxidized झुमका collection. See, so pretty. And the last one from this set is this beautiful peacock design झुमके. मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था जो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा embellished और ज़्यादा designer हो, तो I felt like कि ये मुझे ले ही लेना चाहिए. So pretty, so elegant. मेरे बाल बीच में से हटे तब आपको समझ में आएगा how pretty and elegant it looks. You can see. Next up, I have this oxidized bangle set. इसको बहुत तरीके से पहना जा सकता है. So let me just show you the variations. One is obviously the way it is intended कि इसमें 4 ऐसे पतले कड़े हैं and 2 मोटे वाले. So उनको जमाने के बाद एक हाथ में कुछ ऐसा लुक आएगा. You could put the entire stack like this on your hand. It could go easily on both your arms as a complete set. My favorite variation of this is just these kadas, which is so simple and understated, but it is so pretty. You could just wear these, the metal chudis. They are so pretty and कितनी प्यारी dainty कलाइयाँ लग रही हैं इससे. 11 on 10 recommend. This is like my favorite buy. Next up we have this kada. You can see the design. इसमें भी हल्का mirror work है and easily this snaps onto you. मेरे हाथ में ये स्लाइड ऑन हो जाता है थोड़ा सा, इनफैक्ट मुझे बड़ा है, बट ये बहुत ही ईजी टू हैंडल एंड एक हाथ में स्टेटमेंट ज्वेलरी की तरह. दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस एडिशन. एंड मेरे पास ऐसा अगेन कुछ नहीं था, सो मैंने अभी ये सारी चीज़ें मंगाई हैं एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद माई बाय. नेक्स्ट वी हैव दिस सिंपल अंडरस्टेटेड नेकलेस फ्रॉम मीशो. लेटली आई हैव बीन इनटू अ लॉट ऑफ पिंक. So I thought कि ये pink gems वाला bow necklace would go great and it really does. इस outfit के साथ obviously नहीं, but yes. No, even इसके साथ ही अच्छा लग रहा है. The last buy from Meesho is this beautiful set of thread bangles जो कितना अच्छा bright green color है and I have a lot of outfits in this color, so I thought this would go great. तो ये मेरे हाथ पे थोड़ा बड़ा है, so this is more my mom's size, so I will be getting this in a smaller size. but this is a great piece to invest in because this would elevate any outfit, especially अगर आप अभी wedding season वगैरह enjoy कर रहे हो. So these kind of bangles would go great with any lehenga or even a nice sleeveless kurti, a sari, anything. Next up, we have earrings from the brand Estalio. They have this really nice pearly look, and I think ये किसी भी dainty brunch date-ish outfit के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Next are these beautiful butterfly studs, जिनमें एक side ऐसे artificial diamond beading है. I got another set of butterfly earrings with these. These give me such Winx Club vibes. I love it. सामने से ऐसा आ रहा है look. कितनी बड़ी and इतनी light है ये earrings, but they're still very strong and sturdy. Next we have these pendulum pearl earrings. And इनका डिज़ाइन ऐसा है कि the stud comes out as a sole pearl earring, and this is the lock. So इसको आप अलग से भी एक, if you just want to wear a single pearl in your ears, you can do that too. Solo look would be like this, very soft, chic, subtle, and this is when you want to elevate it. We have these beautiful leaf pattern earrings, and ये कितनी सुंदर लग रही हैं. This is extremely lightweight and anti-tarnish according to their website, or at least that's what I read. I will confirm. I will put all of the links in the description so that you can get any of these that you want. ये भी बहुत soft understated studs design है. We have these beautiful pearls with tulips set in them. कितना सुंदर है ये डिज़ाइन. मुझे लेटली एक्सट्रीमली गर्ली कॉटेज कोर थिंग्स इतनी पसंद आ रही हैं. लाइक आई एम गंग हो ओवर देम, एंड दीज इयररिंग्स आर द परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट. एंड आखिरी में वी हैव दीज. ये आई थिंक मेरा फेवरेट सेट है फ्रॉम Estalio. It has so much going on for it. The heart shape, but not exactly heart. The rose set in it and gold, and the black enamel, which makes it strike out so much. Like see, उतने दूर से भी वो कितने clearly दिख रहा है design. The quality of all of the pieces that I have shown you is excellent, and I would definitely recommend that if you are looking to expand your jewelry collection, you should look into these. And this is it for this haul. I will be bringing a lot more soon, and my vlogs. So if you think that's something you're into, subscribe to my channel. And if you were here till the end, post this emoji in the comments so that I know that you were watching. Now bye bye.